Hi everyone, again I am here to continue the lesson that we have started earlier. Look at the words and picture carefully. After watching, can you guess today's topic? You all know that plants prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis. All the animals are dependent on this food directly or indirectly. They take food from external sources and obtain nutrients necessary for maintaining the different life processes. This process is known as nutrition. In this topic, we will be discussing about mode of nutrition, nutrition in amoeba and nutrition in human beings. At the end of the lesson, you will be able to define nutrition and nutrients. Explain the importance of nutrients. You will also be able to discuss the modes of nutrition, illustrate the examples of holozoic nutrition, explain how all the processes are carried out in unicellular organism. You will also know to describe the structure and function of different parts of human digestive system. Before proceeding further, first let us discuss why nutrition is important. It is important because it provides energy to perform the different functions. It also helps in maintaining the body structure because all body components are built up of materials obtained from the food. It helps in growth and repair of worn out or damaged structures. It also plays an important role in the regulation of hormones and enzymes. It protects our body from the different kinds of diseases. Nutrition in unicellular organisms. Here we will discuss about the nutrition in amoeba. In protozoans like amoeba and paramecium, nutrition is heterotropy. That means they depend on other living organisms for their food. It is also known as holozoic nutrition because it takes the solid food particles. Amoeba is an omnivorous animal. It feeds on bacteria, unicellular algae, and diatoms. Nutrition involves various processes. They are ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and egestion. Ingestion. It is the process of taking solid food particles. It is also known as phagocytosis. Amoeba does not have any oral aperture, so when it comes in contact with food particles, it extends its cell surfaces, making finger-like projection. This finger-like projection is known as pseudophodia or false mouth. With the help of this pseudophodia, it engulfs the food in the food vacuole or the phagosomes. After ingestion, digestion takes place. In unicellular organism, digestion is intracellular. That means it takes place within the cell in the food vacuole. Once the food is entered into the food vacuole, it fuses with the lysosomes. Lysosomes releases the enzymes that helps in breaking the food into simple form. The digested food then diffuses into the cell cytoplasm. This process is known as absorption. The absorbed nutrients are used for growth, repair, energy, and storage. This process is known as assimilation. Once the nutrients are absorbed, the undigested residue is expelled out from the body surfaces. This process is known as egestion. It is also known as exocytosis. For today, this much only.